Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is IMD forecasts double heat wave. First of all, let's see why this topic is in the news. Recently, the IMD or the India Meteorological Department has warned that northwestern India will experience a much hotter summer in 2025. The region is expected to face 10 to 12 heat wave days, nearly double the usual number of 5 to 6 heat wave days. The heat wave conditions are predicted to be slightly above normal, especially over West and Central India. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS-GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 8th April at 6 p.m. and the Hindi medium batch admissions are now open. For more details, contact 87501 87501. Now let's discuss about key highlights of IMD's warning. Typically, the region experiences 5 to 6 heat wave days per season, but this year, the IMD forecasts 10 to 12. The IMD expects above normal maximum and minimum temperatures across most of India, except for some southernmost parts of the peninsula and certain areas in the northeast. In northern parts of India, a brief respite is expected with a 3-4 degree drop in temperatures caused by northwesterly winds from Rajasthan. A heat wave is declared when the temperatures reach 40 degrees Celsius in the plains or 30 degrees Celsius in the hills, or when the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius above the seasonal average. Now moving on to impact of heat waves. Last year, India recorded 554 heat wave days, the highest in its history. Prolonged heat exposure increases the risk of heat stroke, dehydration and other health issues. Authorities are expected to issue heat advisories urging the public to stay hydrated and avoid unnecessary outdoor exposure. Now is the time for practice question. Which areas are expected to have near normal or slightly cooler conditions? Option A, Northern India. Option B, Southernmost Peninsular India and Northeast. Option C, Western India. Or option D, Eastern India. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.